Dan Adams, Director of Training from Sources of Strength. As we navigate life's ups and downs and this challenging time, we're all going to respond in different ways. Some of us might have quick tempers, and so we get angry at certain situations, or some of us might feel down or sad, like we're on low battery. And I know that for me, I sometimes feel anxious, like I got a tape running a million miles an hour in my head, or like I'm arguing with someone in my head. And no matter which emotion or combination of emotions come up for you, we want to acknowledge that there are a lot of different ways that we can calm those emotions down. For me, working with my hands has always been something. I've been a creative person most of my life, playing the bass, making music, or making friends, making videos like this one that I'm taping right now. And creativity in quarantine for me has really right now been a lot of woodworking. I've spent the whole weekend building a couple different projects that were too big to bring along with me out here, but here's an example of something I worked on. Just threw together this bookend from a few pieces of scrap plywood. But being creative has always helped me calm down the anxiety in my head, and making anything really with my hands allows me to focus on what's right in front of me and take my mind off of all the things that might be making me feel anxious. Another way that I calm is with mindfulness and meditation. And one of my favorite kinds of meditation is forest bathing. Just getting out in nature, in a forest, and listening to the birds, feeling the sun on my face, letting my eyes, my ears, and my senses recalibrate. And normally when I'm out on the road training with you all, after a training, I'll find the nearest collections of trees or forests nearby, whether I'm in Oregon or Alaska or Ohio or California. I'll try to find a forest to just sit and be present. Or as Thich Nhat Hanh says, arrive at every step. The coolest thing about a lot of spiritual practices like this is that spending time in my memory of those walks and of those forests allows me to enjoy the benefits, even without being back in those trees outside of Hoopa, California.
We are still here.
Oh, hey Ryan, how are you?
Hey, it's Liz.
Oh, hey Liz. Where are you?
Coming at you from Forest Park in Portland, Oregon, and everything is green. The birds are singing, and it's all still here.
Thanks, Liz. Hey, Andrew, is that you in Alaska? Andrew. Anyhow, these are some of the things that help me. So this week we're inviting you to create. Maybe it's something big, like a woodworking project, or something small like sand art on your phone that you create a new screensaver with. You can meditate, whether it's getting outside in a forest or on a trail, or staying inside and using something like the Calm app to calm down. Fun fact, I believe it's free for teachers right now. These ideas and so many more are listed on the Strength Index document on our COVID-19 resources page on sourcesstrength.org. Use it to explore what helps you, and let's practice what helps us calm together. And I'll leave you with this moment of Zen so you can practice your own forest bathing.